I'm about to get lit, fam.
I will sacrifice your firstborn.
Yeah! Woohoo! I missed it. That guy in that Jeep was like stuck in neutral. I don't think he knows how to use a manual. Oh god. Also, all my vents are open because it's a bajillion degrees, so sorry if it's super windy. You waiting over here for a drug deal? I got you some good stuff. What's up, everybody? I mean, alright. That's illegal, but okay. I was at Freedom Power Sports earlier and they had like the Kawasaki demo thing, but I didn't make it in time. The last ride was at 3:30 and I got there at 3:32. Oh, I was like, don't you do it. Oh, he still got behind me. Man, it's so sketchy. They had like the little Z125 track. I wanted to get on the little Z125 and rock it around, but I was too late. It's all good. So I and my girlfriend both started a new job. We don't work together. We had different new jobs. But yeah, we're working people. So yeah, now that school's done, I'm in a job right now. It's just temporary for the summer, but I don't have like tons of free time. But I am trying to get out and ride on weekends and like later in the days and stuff. I don't work that long, so if anyone wants to get out and ride, hit me up. But I am just getting out and enjoying the weekend, even though it's like 95 degrees and I'm burning alive, but it's all good. I'm actually not in my jacket or anything. I'm just in like a really light overshirt just to help me from getting sunburned. That's the only reason I'm wearing it. I have a new exhaust coming in for my Camaro. I'm waiting on the exhaust tips to come in and then I'm taking it to the shop. So hopefully like next week or in the next 2 weeks, I'll have that done. So that's exciting. I was just out at Starbucks with my girlfriend and I was like, I need to make a video, and like I don't have anything planned, so I'm just winging it. I need topics, guys. Throw me some topics. What do you want to hear about? We want to hear you shut up, nerd. Alright, thanks, guys. How did you even get there? What? Yes, let's all break at the green light. Marvelous. This Lincoln is like getting awfully close to me. I'm not liking it. I will sacrifice your firstborn.
I will sacrifice your firstborn.
Oh, Ferrari. Yeah. I was on my way to work the other day and I saw a Ferrari and a Maserati riding together. I was like, what? Because like I live out here in like the middle of nowhere. You don't really see cars like that often. There is one dude who lives somewhere past me that's got like 3 or 4 supercars. I don't know what he does, but and like every year I'll just see a new supercar and it's him still. I remember I first pulled up next to him in my Mustang, my convertible red Mustang, and he was in his black Ferrari. I was like, I like your Ferrari, and he's like, oh, I like your Mustang. I have 5 of them. I'm like, what? This dude owns like 5 Mustangs. He's like, yeah, I think it's like the best bang for your buck performance-wise. And I was like, I mean, I guess. I don't really think money matters to you, but... And here I am nowadays driving a Camaro. I like it better than the new Mustangs. I'm sorry, I do. I'm not hating on the new Mustangs. I like those too. That was like my next choice, so... But I'd take a Ferrari over it any day. And over that, I'd take a Lambo, because you know I'm a Lambo guy. That's probably going to be on my giveaway questionnaire for you guys to win. I have to have like 1,000 subscribers and I'm going to give something away, but you got to answer, what is Ride with Danger's favorite car brand? You better know it. Yeah! Woohoo! I am Speed. I'm on Speed. Woohoo! I have a Monster energy drink at home and at work. I left one at the work freezer. Now I own 2 Monster energy drinks, which is, you know, cool. And I haven't had one since like high school. So, no, I think I've had like maybe 1 or 2 since high school. So yeah, I'm about to get lit, fam. I don't even feel right saying that. It sounds so stupid. I only say it's lit to videos on the internet where somebody like has their possessions catch on fire. And then I'm like, it's lit. And then I put the fire emoji. I have a very dark sense of humor sometimes, but I try not to let it show. That's like really mild. So I let that one slide, and I post that all over social media whenever someone has their car or bike catch on fire. I like the fire emoji. It's my favorite emoji. That might be on the questionnaire too. What's Danger's favorite emoji? Fire emoji. I like your little turquoise emblem. Oh, they have an Instagram handle. I'm gonna see if I can see what it is and shout them out. See if you guys will go follow him or her, whatever it is. Baby Girls AMI. Baby Girls Amy? Amy. Baby Girls. Oh, Baby Girl Sammy. I'm dumb. I get it. I'm so stupid. I'm gonna follow you, Sammy. Literally, I'm following you. I hope you see this video. Actually, I'm gonna send it to you. Everyone go follow Baby Girl Sammy. Yeah, but for real though, I'm gonna do a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I'll probably somehow do a face reveal. I have a video on my channel that's still hidden that a lot of you have already seen because I've sent you the link, but it's me doing a freestyle rap. And I mean, my face is in it, but I might actually release that for 1,000 subscribers. Just because like no one knows what I look like. It's because I'm ugly. I'm hideous. Smooth skin. A lot of you probably won't get that reference, but that's okay. Should I go fast right here? I'm gonna get over the hill and make sure there's no cops, and I'll go fast. I'm gonna full tuck it. Oh, it's lit, fam! It's lit! Alright, that's all I got for you today. My nose itches and I can't scratch it. Alright. Alright, I'll catch you guys next time. Always remember, stay in drugs, don't do school. It's so hot.